If you always wanted a 3D printer, I'll show you how to make one of these prints. It's my first 3D print. It's a rabbit, so stay tuned to see exactly how you can do it too. Hi there, Frank George here. Today I'd like to present to you the Entina Tina2S 3D printer with Wi-Fi cloud printing. I wanted this to make toys for my granddaughters. So let's unbox it, shall we? Right away, I found a warranty card and a nice thank you note with customer service and satisfaction being priority number one, and a quick start guide as well. Everything is packed really well. This is a spool with the material on it, and the electrical cord, another cable, and some tools. So there is the unit that's already pre-packaged, and as you can see, it's completely protected and wrapped in styrofoam, so it's protected for transportation really well. This unit is already pre-built, pre-made. This is the top of the unit. It's sealed. The back of the unit, the front of the unit, and there is QR codes on the top as well for the application. What I'm going to do is follow the manual. Peel off the tape on the nozzle. Peel off the tape on the nozzle. That's inside. Peel off the tape near the lead screw. Okay, that's the tape off. Peel off the packing tape. Again. Okay, back to the instructions. Press the tube fitting insert filament tube into the extruder. Okay, following the directions, we make sure that this tube is inserted in the top, and we have to take from the spool and push up through, all the way through here, all the way until it stops. Now we can print. Plug in the power and turn the printer on. There is a power switch here. Okay, now we have to go to the top of the unit and follow the instructions. And it's asking us to select a language. So we're going to select English. So to confirm each of the prompts, you just press down on the button. Answer the questions in the top of the unit. Load filament. Wait for filament to load. Heating nozzle. Please wait. The instruction manual says load in the TF card. So in the package, we found the Entina Tina2S card. So let's put it in the slot right there. So the next thing in the manual tells us to scan the QR code and follow the instructions. So let's do that. Entina support and the Polo Print Cloud app. So let's scan off the app. Okay, and then let's open. Online registration. Let's do that. Create your account. Verify your account. Access your content. Okay, we are installing Polo Print Cloud and configuring the Wi-Fi network. Okay, thousands of free 3D models. Okay, so the first thing when you open up the app is a video tutorial to introduce the basics to get started. Okay, so this app is really done well. It has unpacking and installation, test model, app download and login, app configure and add, app print model, print controls, printer function, print models. I am now going to go and print from the TF chip, which is in here. I've chosen that. Press it down on the button. And let's see, I'm going to choose rabbit for the girls. I'm going to make them a rabbit. Okay, I've chosen Rabbit, and now press the button and we should go to print. As you can see, the unit is printing all by itself. It's nice and quiet. The unit is printing all by itself. It's very quiet. So it filled in what looks like the shape first, and now it is going back and filling in. Very cool. It's working by itself. I'm starting to see a lot of detail in this 3D model print. I can't wait to see this and see the looks on the faces of my granddaughters. So we're going to come back in a few minutes and show you the progress. It's looking really good. You can see the rabbit and you can see the ears now being formed. This is really cool. The kids are gonna love it. Almost there. Oh my God, I see the rabbit and his ears. And there's our rabbit, and there's a profile of our rabbit done. So in summary, the Tina2S has great features, and some of them are, its nice and compact design can be put anywhere. It's a good size that offers versatility for a variety of projects. And remember, it is designed for beginners and children as well. It's virtually ready to use right out of the box, fully assembled as you see. No complicated settings to start printing. And there's a massive model library that you'll never get bored of. SD card, app, and tutorials, all super helpful to get you printing fast. This unit is a one-click control of the printer, so it'll instantly print for you. And it boasts remarkable print speed, up to 200 MMS for fast completion of projects without sacrificing any quality. This 3D printer offers built-in automatic leveling and heated platform, so no manual leveling is ever needed by the user. And the Entina has a flexible and removable spring steel built plate that I'm holding right now. Designed for easy removal of your prints and easy to clean. Quick detachable nozzle for maintenance and filament replacement. And it's got a built-in fan for efficient cooling and consistent print quality. And an integrated LED nightlight, remember, for printing sessions at night. Oh, and a word of caution, keep the kids' fingers out of the printer. The nozzle heats up to 245 degrees centigrade or 473 Fahrenheit. And the high temperature heated bed is capable of reaching 60 Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit for optimal adhesion and print quality. The Entina Tina2S 3D printer is a must-have, and it makes a great gift idea too. You will absolutely love it. Get one for you and your family today. Thanks, and until next time, I'm Frank George.